In this video, we will explore one method for solving real-world problems involving integer addition. In middle school, students must understand the concept of adding integers rather than relying on memorizing a rule. One model students can use for integer addition is colored counters. Two colored counters come in two colors. One color is red and the other one is yellow. Sometimes you might see a white color. Typically we use the red color to represent negative numbers and the white, or in this case yellow, to represent positive numbers. Let's look at an example. Toby asked John to borrow $6 on Monday and another $5 on Tuesday. If Toby pays John $9 on Friday, does he still owe John money? If so, how much money does he owe? So if Toby asks John to borrow $6 on Monday, borrowing is going to be represented by our red counters because Toby is in debt to John, $6. And then on Tuesday he borrows another $5. We need 5 more red counters. But Friday he does bring $9 to John. That's $9 that is positive, so those are going to be our yellow counters. Now in order to find out if he still owes John money and how much he owes, we're going to use this concept of zero pairs. A zero pair is when I take one negative counter and one positive counter. And when I add those together, I'm really getting a sum of 0. -1 and +1 result in a sum of 0. So if I go ahead and pair up everything that's here and make 0 pairs, then the things that are left over that did not zero pair are going to tell me how much Toby still owes John. In this case, we have 2 counters left over, so he still owes John $2. The counters model this number sentence. If Toby borrowed $6 and then he borrowed $5 more and paid John back $9, he still owes John $2. -6 plus -5 plus 9 equals -2. Remember, counters are one tool students can use to make sense of integer addition rules. By using counters, students can represent the operation of addition visually by using 2 different colors to show the positive and negative values being combined.